In this video, I'll show you how to delete your Gemini AI account. If you signed up for Google's waitlist or started using Gemini and now want to remove your account, here's exactly how to do it. And yes, it works right now. First, go to the Gemini website at gemini.google.com and sign in with the Google account you used to join. Once you're in, click on your profile icon in the top right corner and select Settings. Now, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page and look for the option that says Delete Account. Click on that. You'll be taken to a Google account page where you can confirm the deletion. Follow the steps, verify your identity if needed, and confirm again that you want to delete your Gemini access. That's it. Your Gemini account will be removed and you'll be logged out completely. Quick tip. Keep in mind, deleting your Gemini account doesn't delete your entire Google account, just your access to Gemini and any data associated with it. If you ever want to use Gemini again, you'll have to rejoin the waitlist and start fresh. If this helped you out, hit like and subscribe for more quick tech tips.